guys, I'm Aurora and today I'm back with another video. I've been teaching you the animals, the parts of the face, the parts of the body, the greetings, how to cut out my cards, the colors, the numbers, and today I'm gonna teach you the school supplies. So let's start. The first school supply is astuccio, pencil case. Then there's zaino, backpack, matita, pencil, matite colorate, pencil colors, pennarelli, markers, gomma, rubber, temperino, sharpener, righello, ruler, lavagna, and whiteboard. Okay, so let's revise. Astuccio, pencil case, zaino, backpack, matita, pencil, matite colorate, pencil colors, pennarelli, markers, gomma, rubber, temperino, sharpener, righello, ruler, lavagna, whiteboard. Okay, so put a thumbs up if you like the video and cut out the cards as usual. And remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!